Welcome to Tech in 10. We are your digital learning coaches, Kathleen and Sandra, and we're going to share a quick tech tip on one of the great tools we use in LUSD. You will be muted until the end of the tip, at which time we will take your questions on the topic. Today's focus will be on Newsela text sets. Text sets allow you to share multiple articles with students at one time rather than assigning each article one at a time. This also offers an opportunity for student choice, as you can have students choose which articles to read from the text set. You can also share text sets with colleagues. We can start by browsing the text sets that are available in Newsela. Once you've logged into Newsela, hover your cursor over the word text sets found at the top. Here, you can narrow your search by subject matter or by grade level. Click on the subject or grade level you'd like to browse. If I want to find a text set for history, I'll click on Text Sets for Social Studies. I can now scroll to see the available text sets. I am searching for one on Greek mythology to teach on an upcoming unit, so I can scroll until I find one. Once I have found one, I can click on it to view more details. I can now see a preview of all the articles that are included in this text set by scrolling. I can also see who created this text set, when it was created, and when it was last modified, as well as any details that were added. If I am satisfied with the way this text set is set up, I can now create an assignment by clicking this blue Create Assignment on the upper right-hand side. Since this is for an upcoming unit, I can add any details I would like, and I can save it as a draft, as you can see here. So I will keep the title as is, and I could then select which classes to assign this text set to. I can then continue to scroll and add any instructions here, for example, what I want the students to annotate. If I continue to scroll, I can see the articles included, and I can delete or remove any articles I do not want in this text set by clicking on the trash can icon. If I realize I made a mistake and accidentally deleted an article I did not want to remove, I can simply click Undo Removal. Since this is for an upcoming assignment, I can just come to the top and click Save Draft. The draft of this assignment is now found in my assignment section in the Pro binder. You can also search for text sets by using the search bar found at the upper left-hand side. If I want to find a text set on climate change, that is what I would type. Click on Text Sets to see the available text sets. Click on a text set to view the details. If I want to make changes to this particular text set, I would need to create a copy. To do that, I would click on the copy icon found up here. I would confirm that I want to make a copy. Now that I have made a copy of this text set, if I want to make any changes, I would click on the wrench icon found up here at the top. Then click Edit Text Set. Here I can make changes to the title as well as the description by clicking and typing or deleting any changes. For now, I'm just changing the title and keeping the description as is. If I continue to scroll, I can see the articles found in this text set. I can rearrange the order by clicking on the three lines and dragging and then releasing. If I want to remove an article, I would click on the X. Once I'm done making any changes, I click up here at the top on Save. I would then click on the X to exit this menu. From here, all my changes will show, and then I can create an assignment. I can even share this text set. To do that, I would come up here to the browser address and I would copy it, and then I can paste it in an email or anything else to share it with my colleagues. Colleagues from the same school site can also access text sets created by people in the school site by again hovering over text sets and then going to text sets at your school. Here you will see any text sets created by any teacher at your school site. Now, if I haven't found quite yet what I'm looking for, I can then create my own text set. I can do that by hovering my cursor over text sets, clicking Your Text Sets, and then click on Create New Text Set. And as you can see, the text set that I had made a copy of and edited is here as well. So again, to create a new one, click on Create New Text Set. Here I can give it a name and a brief description. When you have finished adding a name and a description, click Create. So your text set, or the beginning of your text set, has now been created. To find articles, we can come up here to the top in the search bar, and since this particular text set is about graduation, I will type in graduation. And here I see several articles about graduation. So I can click to get a preview of the article. And after I preview it, if I see that's something that I want to add to my text set, I'd come up here to the top, click the plus sign, and click on graduation. Now graduation is highlighted in green, letting me know that this article has been added to this text set. I can then continue to search for more articles and adding them in the same manner. And after I finish creating this text set, I can make any edits as necessary and then create an assignment. To access the text sets you have created, hover your cursor over text sets and click on Your Text Sets. Click on a text set to view. And if I want to make changes, I would click on this little wrench. And once I've finished building it, I can create an assignment for my students. And to share it, I can come up here at the top, and I can copy that web address and share it with my colleagues. And that is how you can access and use Newsela text sets as well as create your own.